Hey guys, it's Maria here, and today I am doing my first ever video on YouTube, and I am reviewing I Do Care. I could only get Mini Meow Trio because, yeah, I'm broke. So I'm going to be reviewing that today. And I got this from Amazon, by the way, and yeah, it came really fast, which I'm really surprised about. So let's talk about the packaging. Yeah, I really like the ombre that they did, and it just has really cute, yeah, overall look. And there's even a smiley on the top. So cool. And I'm gonna try and open it. Okay, cool. Easier than I thought it would. Okay. Oh. These are kind of tinier than I thought, but I mean, you know, we'll see. So here's the space kitten. My phone won't focus for some reason. And it's supposed to be like a clearing your face, I guess. And this one is the sugar kitten. Sorry for the bad camera. And it's supposed to be very hydrating, and it's like holographic, so that's really cool. And then finally we have the disco kitten, and it is illuminating diamond peel off mask. Okay, cool. So yeah, I just love the look of this because it's so aesthetic to me. But yeah, anyway, let's try these out with a spoon, because sadly it didn't come with one of those scooping things, and then yeah, so I didn't get one of those, which is kind of disappointing, but that's okay. Ooh, it looks kind of pretty. It's very sparkly and metallic, so that's nice. I'm gonna pop the bubble there, and just kind of dip it. Oh, it's kind of stretchy. Yeah, it looks good. So where should I put this one? Okay, let's put it right here. I have a feeling that this will dry the fastest because it's a bit thicker. Well, yeah, kind of thin, but I feel like it's already drying. It's a weird consistency, but it smells kind of like that Mario Badescu water, rose water spray. So yeah, I think it just smells like that. I'm gonna put on the sugar kitten on one of my cheeks. Ooh. Yeah, that looks really cool. It's holographic and lovely. Are you kidding me? Why are you doing that? Because I can. It's a free country. And it's quarantine. And it's weird. Please. Oh my god. Sorry. So now I'm going to be doing this holographic one. I came in here to get something. This kind of smells it smells very sugary, like sugary strawberries, kind of like that. I know that's a weird way of describing it, but you know. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Wow. Yeah, so this is supposed to be hydrating. So we'll see if it hydrates my face. It's a little less thicker than the others. So yeah. So it's very runny, but in a good way. Alright, so now we're gonna do the Space Kitten. Oh, and it kind of has like glitters in it, which is really pretty. Love that. And this kind of smells like really expensive perfume. Oh wow, it's stretchy. I love that. Okay, that's cool. And it's very thick, but also like kind of stretchy, like almost kind of slime-like. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, so while I am letting this dry, I am going to read the contents of the box and like basically just tell you guys the ingredients, if there's anything like bad acids or something like that in there. You probably can't take me seriously like this, but you know, oh well. Okay, so here's a chrome mask. So it starts out with polyvinyl alcohol and water. Then Hispanica seed extract is actually really good for your skin. It like very like hydrates it a lot, and it's really good for your skin. Yeah, but you know what's weird about all these products in I Do Care is that it's like none of them are fragrance free, and the fragrance free products seem to be the best. So I'm not so sure about these yet. I don't know how they'll peel off. I don't know how they'll make my skin look, and yeah. But 10 out of 10 so far, because like, can we just take a second to like appreciate this packaging? Like, it's so cute, and like, you know, it's in a very sturdy container so it can't get out. So I really love that about I Do Care, because it just has like, you know, a very aesthetic look, and it has, you know, just like a lot of things that I really love. So yeah, and I'm just gonna kind of dry this. So like, put in the comments below like how you guys are feeling like right now, because like some people, like, they can't even see their friends, so that's like honestly really really sad. So yeah, I just hope like everyone's doing good, like no one's sick and no one's like super depressed. So I just hope everyone's okay, because I know I'm not. Yeah. Wow. So yeah, as you know, this is my first YouTube video, so yeah, it's just been a little hard, like kind of figuring out how it works and like what I should do and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, I just love how these smell and how they look and like the packaging and everything about it so far. I just need to know like how they'll like turn out. So like, here's a close-up of it. Like, you can see the little glitters and my imperfections. Wow. Okay. And then you can see like the holographics, like in this, like the sunlight. It's just like so pretty. And then this also is like, you know, it's really pretty. And yeah. It, like, it's very metallic. I'm sorry, I cannot speak today. But I'm just trying to dry these as much as I can right now, because I don't know why, but I sometimes get a little impatient. So this is my first time trying peel off masks. yeah, I sound like a noob, but yeah, I am. Anyway, so yeah, the Disco Kitten, it seems to dry the fastest, like, and that's what a lot of people have said. And I'll do some more I Do Care reviews later, like in the week and stuff, because I'm gonna plan on getting some more, like the Cake My Day. I couldn't find that anywhere but Ulta, so I'm gonna get that later. And yeah. Alright, this seems dry, so I'm gonna try to peel it off. The struggle is real. Ooh, okay. Okay. Huh, that actually kind of peels off really good. Like, I started like peeling it off really bad. Oh, that part's not quite dry yet. That's alright. Just kind of scrape it a little bit. Yeah. Feels good so